As you awaken to the first light of the day, remember this. The strength you carry does not belong solely to you. It belongs to those around you, and in turn their strength belongs to you. Today I want to tell you of something that is often overlooked, yet it is at the heart of every Spartan warrior, the shield. We did not carry our shields merely to protect ourselves. No, we carried them to protect one another. The shield was not just a piece of armor, it was a bond, a promise that no Spartan would stand alone. And today, I will show you how the power of this bond shaped the course of our fate. I remember the Battle of Thermopylae well. It was 480 BC, and I stood at the front, leading my 300 warriors. The Persians, vast in number, seemed endless. But we knew that it was not our numbers that would win us this battle. It was our discipline, our unity, and above all, the strength of our shields. I would walk among my warriors before battle, inspecting the shields of each man. It was no simple task to carry one. The shields were heavy, made of wood and bronze, shaped to cover most of the body with a sharp edge to strike back at the enemy. They were not just protection, they were the very means of our survival. The shield was our defense, but it was also our weapon. And more than that, it was a reminder of our duty to one another. But let me share something you might not know. There was once a young soldier, a brave lad named Dorian, who had just joined our ranks. He was eager, strong, and full of determination. Yet in the heat of the battle, his shield faltered. For a brief moment, he hesitated. The weight of the enemy, the roar of battle, the sweat and blood, all of it threatened to overwhelm him. And for just a moment, his shield slipped from his grasp. It was then that I saw it. The opening in our formation, the breach. The Persians, seeing this weakness, began to surge forward. Our line began to shift, and chaos threatened to break out. I could feel the panic rising in the air, but I remained calm. I ordered my men to hold steady, to fight with everything they had. Dorian, realizing the mistake he had made, rushed to regain his position, but the damage was done. That single lapse in discipline nearly cost us everything. The shield line was our lifeline, and one break in that line could mean defeat. In that moment, I understood something that I want you to understand today. A shield is not just a piece of armor. It is not a tool for individual glory or personal protection. It is a symbol of unity. When one man lets go of his shield, he is not only exposing himself to danger, but his entire line of warriors. The enemy sees that break, and they will exploit it without mercy. A shield is the promise you make to your comrades, the bond that keeps your community strong. You do not drop your shield because it is not just your life at stake. It is the life of those standing beside you. And let me tell you this, the greatest dishonor, greater than any defeat in battle, is to drop your shield. As Spartans, we knew this. We knew that our success depended on each man's commitment to his brothers. We fought together, we fell together, and we stood together. We were not individuals in battle. We were one, bound by our shields, our unity, and our courage. Today, I challenge you. What is your shield? Who are the people around you who rely on your strength? Do you stand firm in the face of difficulty, or do you falter when the pressure is on? The strength of your community, your team, your family, depends on your ability to hold your ground and protect those who stand with you. Your shield is not only your own, it belongs to the ones you fight for. Will you let it slip, or will you hold it with the courage of a true warrior? As you move through this day, think about your shield. How will you protect those around you? Will you rise to the challenge, or will you falter when the moment comes? Remember, the strength of one is the strength of all. And just as you protect your brothers, so too will they protect you. Your shield is your commitment to others, and it is the greatest honor to carry it with pride. Stand firm, stand strong, and protect your own. I have shown you the power of the shield. Now carry it forward and never let it fall. The morning is yours to make, and every step you take is another chance to build the strength of your shield. Protect those around you, and they will protect you. Do not fail them, for their survival lies in your strength. Now go forth with your shield held high. I will see you again when the sun sets on this day.